Hey guys, so I wanted to put together a super quick, less than 3 minute long technical video. It is an exhaust replacement on a Moster 185. So it doesn't take long, it doesn't take very many tools, and really I was double checking the motor as I was going, so it took a little longer. But overall, the video is in fast forward and it has a little bit of a talk over, so it gives you an idea of what I was doing while I was working on the motor. And I really hope that this gives you a little bit more confidence working on your own, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So your first step is not taking the exhaust off. It's actually taking the time and finding the right size tools in order to take the exhaust off. If you can find the right size tools in less than 2 minutes, I am thoroughly impressed. But that is your first step. Make sure that you have the right size Allen wrench and make sure you have the right size socket, and you can go ahead and remove those nuts and bolts, and the exhaust should come off pretty quickly for you.
See you on the other side. Stay alive.
As you can see here, this exhaust actually cracked completely through, so it's totally disconnected from both sides, and it needs to be replaced immediately.
Keep it together.
So after removing the exhaust, I go ahead and remove the silencer from the exhaust and double check the gaskets, make sure that they look good, make sure that they don't need replacing. Most of the time, we'll go ahead and replace the gaskets just because it's pulled apart and it kind of saves us that time later on. So overall, changing out the exhaust is not a difficult task. This is actually what I had the most issue with the entire time that I was working on this motor, and it was lining it back up with the head, making sure that it goes on properly, making sure that the gaskets were in place and that they were snug. That was the hardest part of the entire deal. So if I can do it, I know that you can do it. And I hope that this helps a little bit, gives you an idea of, you can work on your motor and that it's not rocket science. I promise you these things are not rocket science. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good weekend.